Ever found yourself staring at a growing balance in your GrabPay wallet, wondering, how do I actually get this money out? You've used it for rides, food deliveries, maybe even a quick shop at the local store, but now you need that cash back in your bank account. It's a common question, and honestly, it can feel a little confusing at first. You're not alone. We've all been there, scrolling through menus, tapping buttons, hoping we don't accidentally send it to the wrong place. Think of GrabPay like a digital wallet within the larger Grab ecosystem. It's incredibly convenient for daily transactions, but sometimes you need that flexibility to transfer funds to your bank. Maybe you're saving for something big, or you just prefer to consolidate your finances. Whatever the reason, knowing how to withdraw from GrabPay is a valuable skill. Now, before we dive into the step-by-step, let's address a quick misconception. Some users think withdrawing from GrabPay is complicated or involves hidden fees. Thankfully, it's generally a straightforward process, and in many cases, it's absolutely free. The key is understanding the specific options available in your region, as Grab services can vary slightly from country to country. Alright, let's get to the good stuff. How do you actually move that money from your GrabPay wallet to your bank account? First, open your Grab app. Make sure you're logged into the account associated with your GrabPay wallet. You'll want to navigate to the Wallet section. This is usually found on the bottom menu bar or within the main menu. Once you're in the Wallet section, look for an option related to transfer or withdraw. The exact wording might vary slightly, but it will generally indicate a movement of funds. Tap on that option. Here's where it gets a little more specific. You'll likely be presented with a few options. One will be to transfer to another GrabPay user, and the other, which is what we're looking for, will be to transfer to a bank account. Select the Transfer to Bank Account option. Now, you'll need to link your bank account if you haven't already done so. If this is your first time, you'll be prompted to enter your bank account details. This usually includes your bank name, account number, and any other required information. Double-check everything carefully to avoid any errors. Any mistake here can cause significant delays or even loss of funds. After you've linked your bank account, you'll be asked to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Type in the exact amount you want to transfer. Be aware of any minimum or maximum withdrawal limits that might be in place. These limits are usually clearly displayed on the screen. Before finalizing the transaction, you'll likely be presented with a summary of the transfer. This will include the amount, the bank account details, and any applicable fees. Review this information thoroughly. This is your last chance to make sure everything is correct. Finally, confirm the transfer. You may be asked to enter a PIN or use biometric authentication for security purposes. Once confirmed, the transfer will be initiated. The processing time can vary depending on your bank and region. Some transfers are instant, while others may take a few business days. Remember, if you encounter any issues or have any doubts, the best course of action is to contact Grab's customer support. They can provide specific guidance based on your location and account details. By following these steps, you can confidently transfer your funds from GrabPay to your bank account. It's a simple process once you know where to look. So, go ahead, manage your finances with ease, and enjoy the flexibility of GrabPay. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.